Now I'm going to show you how to connect Liivo with Claude. Visit the Liivo website at liivo.ai and then press connect your AI. Click on the See setup instructions. Here we have instructions on how to connect Liivo with Claude or ChatGPT. Go to the link down here below and press copy. Then we go over to Claude, down to settings, to connectors, add custom connector, write Liivo and paste the URL. Then you press add. Now you've added Liivo here as a connector to Claude. Then we can connect it by clicking connect. We can log in or sign up either with Google, Apple, GitHub or your email. I'm going to use Apple this time, so I'm clicking on continue with Apple. Then I'm asked whether I should authorize Liivo to connect with Claude. I press allow and then I'm connected. And then I can go to Claude. I can type a prompt here, build me a to-do app and deploy to Liivo. Now your to-do app is deployed. Here's the summary. The URL automatically generated. It has a few features and the app is currently building and should be available in a minute or two. And here it is. And that's how we quickly get started with Liivo.